more appetizing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you're new, thank you so much for coming. Keep on subscribing, keep on sharing my videos so that it can reach many people. Guys, you can see in the video we are really blessed with fruits. So we have a guava tree here. When you're feeling hungry, you can just come and take one. Then you start eating it. You can see this one is ready. So that's the good thing of staying here in the village. So guys, today we want to prepare something different. You can see we have meat. So this meat, we have to prepare meat and rice. So this is our rice. So then we have tomatoes, this is our oil, then some spices. So keep on subscribing, keep on watching my videos till the end so that YouTube can monitor my channel. So you can see so this is my matchbox. I need to light the fire, but it's some wind blowing. So guys, you can see we are using firewood. Then here in the village it's really raining. Some people they are experiencing floods, guys. So it's so risky. So if it's raining and you are safe, the place where you are, just thank God, because people are really dying down out there, guys. So guys, these are our tomatoes. We need to cut it into small pieces. tomato because they are healthy. They are really healthy.
Jiwe vinaweza mwagika vyote.
Mimi nitafanya mengine.
Si nimesema juu kwa juu. So this is our boiled meat. As you can see, there is no water, so we need to remove it. This is how it looks like. Onions, then we add the cooking oil, then salt, just a little bit of it. We shall wait until our onions are turned golden brown. Yeah. So as you can see, our onions are ready. The next thing, we are going to add our tomatoes here. So we are going to cook them for some time. So we have to cover them for the hygiene. Now they are ready. So we are going to add our black pepper here. So we are done with cooking the spices. So the next thing, we are going to add our meat. expensive. So we shall cover it for some time, then we shall add the soup. This is our Royco. In fact, mix it with the water. So we shall add our Royco here to make it more delicious. So our meat are ready now, so we need to remove it. This is how it looks like. More appetizing. So as we informed you earlier, we are going to cook our meat with rice. So the next thing, I'll be putting here water for rice. Our rice is just half a kg is here. So we shall measure just 4 cups of water. Exactly 4 cups. Shall add salt. Then we add cooking oil. So we shall wait for some minutes until it's ready. Then we shall add our rice.
So guys, we know that if you want to cook your rice, you need to boil the water first. So our water is ready. You can see the way it is. Then you have already applied their oil. Salt. Omega salt. Oh, so you have put already water, oil and salt there. That's why I need to put there my rice.
Add here.
Why? So you need to be so careful because this rice, the water is so hot. I need to pause. So guys, have you ever tried cooking rice, just plain rice with meat? Wow, so this is my first time. I'm cooking. I'm going to eat. So I need to close for 15 minutes. Then you're going to check if it's ready. Yeah. So keep on commenting, guys. Keep on subscribing. Keep on sharing my video so that you can reach many people. Yeah. Then I will really appreciate. So guys, you can see this is our rice. It's almost, but the water is still there. So I need to put. Oh, I want to put in. So this is how we are doing charcoal. So I'm going to put up. So guys, let's wait for 10 minutes. Then we will check our food. So guys, our rice is ready. So you need to be so careful when you are removing this. So guys, our rice is here. Can see. Yeah. So we need to serve our food. So guys, you can see this is our meat. So guys, even I can't wait to eat it because you can see the way it is. So delicious. So yeah. Sasa other people will come, so they will eat this one. So guys, now we want to eat. So guys, now we are eating our food. Oh my god, guys, this food is so delicious. My in-law has prepared the meat very well. So she's a good chef. Yeah, we are good. So guys, in the comment section, tell me, have you ever prepared plain rice and meat, then you eat together? So let me know.
So guys, just subscribe and watch the full videos, and we shall appreciate you. Bye bye.